Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by choosing two flexible palm fronds. You need structure and pliability. Once selected, remove leaflets from the lower 6 inches so the midrib is exposed. This gives a clean handle and prevents bulk. Take one frond and fold it in half to create a vertical arm. Make sure the fold is sharp so the midrib holds its shape. As you fold, pinch the base tightly. This initial form determines the cross's stability, so press firmly and keep the section neat. Next, you place the second frond horizontally across the vertical arm about 1/3 down. This location balances load and looks proportionate. Weave using an over-under motion twice around the vertical midrib so the horizontal piece locks in place. This is the core joint, so tighten each pass. Snugness equals strength. Once woven, bend and tuck the horizontal ends under the last loop. Trim to about 1/2 inch if needed, and tuck the cut tips into the weave to prevent unraveling. To finish, use leftover leaflet strips to wrap the junction tightly. This conceals the joint and adds rigidity. Once wrapped, you can lightly mist or briefly soak the palm to make fibers settle, then dry the cross upright so the midribs hold their shape without warping. If the weave loosens later, rework it by inserting a new strip under the last wrap and pull it tight. Make sure to tuck the tail well so it won't slip. This quick fix restores strength without undoing the whole piece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.